We live in a rapidly expanding data-driven world. How you use your data most effectively will determine the ultimate success of your organization. Developing a data analytics strategy and corresponding infrastructure that goes beyond traditional business intelligence and corporate performance management systems is a critical first step. Why is this important? Business intelligence tools like Power BI are data-centric and focus on past activity. They consolidate actual historical data collected by a range of data sources, allowing users to analyze their organization's past performance using a combination of data exploration, data visualizations, and KPIs. BI tools cannot perform forward-looking planning or analysis since they have limited modeling capabilities and no way to capture user input data. CPM tools are model-centric and focused on the future of your business. They have extensive business modeling and user data input capabilities needed to generate data used to perform what-if analysis, budgeting, forecasting, planning, and other functions. CPM tools do integrate with BI tools for data visualization and simply act as another source of data. Most organizations utilize separate BI tools for operational needs and CPM systems for financial processes, but they are missing out on a key opportunity to unify past, present, and future analysis across their entire organization by combining the capabilities of BI and CPM tools into a single solution. deFacto Power Planning does exactly that. It is a single extended planning and analysis platform designed for non-technical business managers to design, build, and deploy solutions for any financial or operational data analysis or planning need. That means organizations can replace a wide variety of disparate third-party software applications or build new solutions using deFacto Power Planning. To learn more about what integrating Power BI and planning can do for your organization, schedule a meeting with us today.